this week's Axiom Presents video, let's talk vertical storage. A good candidate for someone looking to explore vertical storage like Cardex are companies with limited storage space looking to shrink their overall storage footprint, or companies looking to bring in revenue generating activity in their warehouse. Another reason to explore vertical storage would be for companies to reduce their pick times but increase their picking accuracy. In addition to storage and picking, Cardex also has benefits that relate to your workforce. It allows you to have fewer pickers picking more lines and enabling you to free up other workers for other activities. Another thing to consider with this vertical storage solution are the ergonomic and safety benefits. Product comes out at an ergonomic height and allows the picker to stay in one place rather than go throughout the warehouse in search for items. If you're interested in learning more about vertical storage, we're happy to come out and evaluate your storage needs in your warehouse, or you can come to our warehouse and demo our Cardex unit. Give us a call today.